Do you dream of making money online while doing something you love? Are you tired of the traditional 9-to-5 grind and want to break free from the limitations of a regular job? Well, what if I told you there's a way to generate a passive income stream right from the comfort of your own home? Today, I'm going to introduce you to a revolutionary method that combines the power of ChatGPT and the vast potential of Quora to help you turn your knowledge and expertise into a steady source of income. Join us as we show you how you can make money online with affiliate marketing using ChatGPT. Quora, the popular question and answer platform, is not only a treasure trove of information, but also a treasure trove of opportunities for savvy individuals like yourself. Let me walk you through the step-by-step process of using Quora alongside ChatGPT to generate passive income. Step 1. Sign up for a Quora account. If you don't already have one, head over to Quora's website and create an account. It's quick, easy, and free. Step 2. Identify your niche. Choose the particular subject or specialization you wish to concentrate on. It's essential to choose a niche that aligns with your knowledge, expertise, and interests. This will enable you to provide valuable and authentic answers to users' questions. If you have a deep fascination for the latest gadgets and love exploring the cutting-edge world of technology, consider selecting gadgets as your niche. Within the gadgets niche, you'll have the opportunity to share your insights, recommendations, and reviews on the newest and most innovative gadgets in the market. Step 3. Explore and monitor Quora. Spend some time exploring Quora within your chosen niche. Look for questions that have a significant number of views and engagement. These are the questions you want to focus on as they have the potential to reach a broader audience. Now that you've identified your niche in the captivating world of gadgets, it's time to dive into Quora and start answering questions, sharing your expertise, and helping people make informed decisions about the latest tech innovations. By harnessing the power of ChatGPT, an advanced AI language model, you can effortlessly provide valuable answers to people's questions on Quora. Step 5. Craft valuable and insightful answers. Use ChatGPT to assist you in writing detailed and helpful responses to users' questions. Remember to provide genuine value in your answers, addressing the question comprehensively and offering practical solutions or insights. By utilizing ChatGPT and structuring your answers around these sample prompts, you can provide valuable insights, share your expertise, and establish yourself as a trusted authority in the world of gadgets on Quora. Here's where it gets exciting. Step 6. Strategically incorporate your ClickBank affiliate link. Within your answer, find appropriate opportunities to include your affiliate link from ClickBank. Make sure the link is relevant to the question and provides additional value to the reader. With every answer you provide, you can strategically incorporate an affiliate link from ClickBank, one of the largest affiliate marketing platforms out there. ClickBank offers a vast array of products and services across numerous niches. Whether it's about gadgets, health and wellness, personal finance, or even digital marketing, there's something for everyone. You might be curious about how exactly this process functions. It's simple. When an individual selects your affiliate hyperlink and completes a transaction, you receive a commission. And with ChatGPT and Quora, you have an unlimited potential audience to reach. Step 8. Monitor your performance and refine your strategy. Keep track of your answer's performance, such as views, upvotes, and engagement. Analyze what works well and refine your approach over time. Experiment with different types of questions, writing styles, and strategies to optimize your results. To maximize your success, it's crucial to provide genuine value in your answers. Don't just spam your affiliate link. Instead, focus on building trust and establishing yourself as an authority in your chosen niche. By following these steps and consistently providing valuable answers while incorporating your ClickBank affiliate links, you'll be on your way to generating a passive income stream using Quora and ChatGPT. Just take a look at the success stories. People just like you have been able to generate a passive income stream by leveraging their expertise and the power of ChatGPT on Quora. And that's it, folks. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, to turn your knowledge and passion into a steady stream of income, then give the ChatGPT and Quora methods a try. It's an opportunity that can imagine the satisfaction of generating passive income while doing something you love, all from the comfort of your own home. The ChatGPT and Quora method empowers you to leverage your expertise, provide valuable answers, and incorporate ClickBank affiliate links to maximize your earnings. Remember, the possibilities are endless when you combine your knowledge, the power of ChatGPT, and the vast reach of Quora. Embrace this opportunity and unlock the doors to a brighter, more fulfilling future. If you found this video informative and inspiring, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on generating passive income and maximizing your online potential. We'll see you guys in the next one.